Enterprise software application in 2018 firms spent 389 billion on software for enterprise applications over there. Largest providers for the enterprise means the business software. If you want to run a business, so what softwares are good for you? Like SAP provide you, they provide licensing for that one, and also training. They provide training for you as well. So SAP and Oracle are competitors on that one, and they are largest providers over there. Middleware providers IBM and the Oracle over there.
Doctor, when you say enterprise, it means business?
Yeah, enterprise means business, right?
Okay, so applications with business, right?
Yeah, application. Yeah, business software. So what are the business software? Like SAP. SAP is one of the business software for us. So they provide ERP for like managing your employees, for giving salaries and all these things. So you can make your own ERP, but it's better to use the professional one, because it will be free of errors. Because your focus is not to build any ERP. Your focus will be to run your businesses. So you can easily focus. If you have a good enterprise software application, you can fully focus on your business rather than on the software issues.